Hello guys, this is another segment in the series of my RC construction dioramas. I always wanted a portable compressor power plant that could compress and could drill, and I have a little surprise for you guys. That's really cool. Well, you can put it on temporary activation, and you can also switch a button so it just keeps on running. And there are 3 AAA batteries in this unit. It's a unit made by Dickietoys. I saw it on YouTube on another person's channel. I asked him where he got it, and he was kind enough to tell me. It was a very difficult task to track one down for sale, but I finally found one on eBay and ordered it. I did a little bit of modifications. I added the handles, because these were the little handles that came with it, and they didn't fit the scale 1 to 14 and 1 to 16. It also comes with a stamper compactor, and it also works with the same unit. All you have to do is change the tube. I have a helmet I've ordered that is coming, and of course his reflective vest, so that it will he'd be safe on the road. The man is from Bruder, fits nicely into my construction diorama scale. I added a few decals to the compressor unit and a few gauges just to make it a little bit more lifelike, and of course something so the crane can winch it up and place it where I want to. Many of you will recognize these. These are from the Bruder series. Likewise, these with the little modification that I've added some LED blinkers. I bought them out and epoxied the LEDs in them with a blinking unit, and the whole thing is run from this 9-volt battery. It works very well. I've tested it, and it can run a whole day with some to spare on one 9-volt battery. So it will really give a good effect on the construction site, RC construction site, and well, by and large, a fun project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Remember to thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.